Good morning students, class 9 subject English grammar. Dear students, today we are going to continue our article writing, and I told you earlier that article contains 10 marks in your syllabus, and if your article is correct according to CBSE norm, then you can get 10 marks, and you have to follow that format. First of all beta, we are going to read the topic. Write an article on the topic television watching. Prawns and food. देखिए, you have to write an article. Article write करना है, and your topic is television watching, prawns and food. Prawns and prawns means बेटा advantages and disadvantages. It means you have to write the advantage and disadvantage of television. Keep in mind beta, you have to write both advantage and disadvantage. First of all beta, you have to write the title, and your title should be in capital letters. देखिए, if title is given in the topic, then you can write the same like this. But sometimes examiner did not give the title. He only indicate some wording, and you have to write yourself the title. अब देखिए टाइटल इज गिवन इन द टॉपिक, हमने सेम राइट कर दिया. आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू मेंशन दी राइटर नेम. देखिए राइटर नेम इज नॉट गिवन इन द टॉपिक, सो आई वाज फ्री, आई कैन राइट एनीबॉडीज नेम. मैंने लिखा है मलिका शर्मा. दिस बेटा टाइटल एंड नेम ऑफ द राइटर, इट कंटेन 1 मार्क. 1 नंबर का ये आपका आता है. इफ यू हैड नॉट रिटन दी टाइटल नेम, then you can lose your 1 mark. आपके 1 मार्क खत्म हो जाएंगे. तो आपको स्टार्टिंग किससे करनी है? टाइटल एंड राइटर नेम. आफ्टर दिस बेटा वी हैव टू स्टार्ट दी आर्टिकल. ऑलवेज कीप इन माइंड, कोई भी आप आर्टिकल लिखते हैं, ऑलवेज मेक अ स्ट्रेटेजी, मेक अ आउटलाइन. आप इम्पोर्टेंट लाइन्स को अपने माइंड में रखिए. What are the advantage, what are the disadvantage of TV? अगर आपको पता है then you can explain that topics. आप उनको explain कर सकते हैं points. Now बेटा, how to write? First of all you have to give introduction. You had no need to write word introduction. Only you have to write. देखिए बेटा, television used to be a luxury a couple of decades in India. देखिए क्या लिखेंगे आप? टेलीविजन used to be a luxury a couple of years in India. यानी कुछ सालों पहले जो टीवी है उसको लग्जरी समझा जाता था इंडिया में. बट नाउ इट हैज बिकम अ कॉमन थिंग in every home. In every home we can saw that there are 2-3 televisions, and it has so many advantages and disadvantages. Now first of all we are going to do advantages of the television. देखिए बेटा, I have chosen some points. With the help of these points you can explain, you can make stanzas. If you make stanzas, keep the help of these words. देखिए first of all pros. Pros means advantage बेटा, and cons means disadvantage. First of all we are going to do advantages. देखिए latest news. In television we can watch latest news. There are different kinds of news channels that gives us information of the world, information of the country, states, districts, and we can increase our general knowledge through these TV channels. After this, there are so many programs that are telecasted live, and with the help of that live telecast programs, we can came to know about the surrounding of the place and different types of sports activities. Or also we can watch in the TV, because there are so many sports channels which help us to choose our favorite game. वो हमें इंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं, हमें सिखाते हैं, and we can learn so many things from the sports channel like football, badminton, cricket. We can watch in which game we are interested. After this, different types of quiz programs are also organized on TV, like Kaun Banega Crorepati. I think many students watch this program, and many other students program. These programs are also organized time to time that increase students' knowledge. After this beta, many informative programs are also available on the TV, like Discovery Channel, National Geography Channel, History Channel. समझ आ गई होंगे ना आप लोगों को, because you also watch this channel, and these channels are so many informative. वो information देते हैं. They tells us our surrounding, our geography, our history, and we came to know that how these things were in the past. हमें सारा कुछ बताती है. After this beta, we can learn so many things from the weather forecast. On each channel on TV, we can watch weather forecast. In weather forecast, we saw the map. With the help of map, we came to know that where is India in the country, where is how many states we have, where is Punjab, where is Haryana, where is Maharashtra, West Bengal. We came to know different type of information through the television. After this beta, many recreational programs are also organized on the TV. Like students के लिए, children के लिए art attack and different kinds of things, how to make that thing are also organized on the television. These are the advantages of the TV beta. Now we are going to start cons of the TV. Cons of the TV means disadvantage of the TV. First of all, I think everybody knows this. Waste of time. Students waste a lot of time on watching television. They make so many excuses not to do homework. They always say, "Mama, I have done it and in the school teacher had not given the homework." So many excuses. इससे क्या होता है, उनका टाइम तो वेस्ट होता ही होता है, साथ में डिफरेंट टाइप की प्रॉब्लम्स भी क्रिएट हो जाती है. देखिए, दे कीप अवे फ्रॉम होमवर्क, दे डू नॉट डू देयर वर्क प्रॉपर होमवर्क प्रॉपरली. या तो वो थोड़े फॉर्मेलिटी करेंगे करने की, थोड़ा बहुत काम कर लिया. समटाइम्स दे मेक एक्सक्यूजेस, दे डू नॉट वर्क प्रॉपरली. आफ्टर दिस इट्स वेरी हार्डर फॉर द स्टूडेंट दैट they do not play outdoor games. They always remain at home and watch TV. They do not do physical work. Only because of watching TV, they become fat. They overeat during watching the TV. ज़्यादा खाते हैं TV देखते हुए, and they become fat, and they do not play outdoor games with friends, with neighbors. They always remain at home and watching television. After this, most harmful effect of TV, they become violent and they use vulgarity. It means in students, children age is learning age, and they imitate everything. I want to say that it's not the fault of children, it's the fault of parents जो उनको टीवी के सामने इतनी देर बैठने देते हैं. And this watch different types of vulgar programs. देखिए, because of that vulgar programs, their language becomes so harsh. They do not talk proper way. They do not behave in a proper way. They use vulgarity. It means गालियाँ देना, गलत word use करना, violence. If they did not get anything, they become violent. जैसा कि टीवी में देखते हैं, they behave in the same manner. It's very bad effect on the children. After this beta, television affects students, children, eyesight also. We saw in the society that many children wear spectacles. This is because of watching television. There is no harm if they watch 1 or 2 hours television, but they watch full day. Sometimes when they return back 2 o'clock at home, तो वो रात तक टीवी देखते हैं. And on holiday they watch TV all day. This type of watching TV affect their eyes. And if their eyes is harmful, if their eyes is not perfect, how can work properly. In this way beta, there are some benefits and there are some disadvantages. You have to do